Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to buy ETFs on Robinhood. First, open your Robinhood app and log in. Once inside, use the search bar at the top to find the specific ETF you are interested in. Take a moment to review its performance, expense ratio, and other important details to ensure it aligns with your investment goals. This initial research is crucial for making informed decisions. After selecting your ETF, tap the Trade button and then choose Buy. You can then decide whether to buy a specific number of shares or invest a certain dollar amount. Next, select your order type. A market order executes immediately at the current price, while a limit order lets you set a maximum price you are willing to pay, offering more control over your purchase. Before finalizing, carefully review all the details of your order, including the ETF ticker, the number of shares or dollar amount, and the order type. Double-checking ensures accuracy. Once you are satisfied, simply swipe up to submit your purchase order. You will receive a confirmation, and the ETF shares will appear in your Robinhood portfolio shortly after the order executes. After your purchase, you can easily monitor your ETF's performance directly within the Robinhood app. Many investors find it beneficial to set up recurring investments, which allows you to consistently add to your holdings over time. Should your investment goals change, you can also sell your ETF shares through a similar process, choosing between market or limit sell orders.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.